Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to use the web browser on your LG Smart TV. First off, go to the apps list and make your way across and keep going until you see an icon which is blue and it says web browser. Now if it's a long way away from the start, press and hold the OK button, then you can move it across and drop it somewhere close to the beginning. Click OK. Then just at the bottom, there's close. It's just out of shot. Next, you'll have your web browser just at the beginning of the list. Click it to launch. And here we can see the landing page. Now, to get to the address bar, you'd think it's a directional pad, but in actual fact, you need to wake the pointer up. Click in there and you get the keyboard. Now you can type in your website. So I will use ft.com because it's short. Click enter to launch the page. And as you can see, the page has been delivered. In the upper left, you have the back button. Once you've loaded a few pages, you have the forward and you have refresh. Here is the address bar. And just here tells you how many tabs you have open. As you can see, it's just the one at the moment. We go here, this is the download button. And beside it, we have the menu button. Click here, we can change the size of the window. We have an option to block ads. We have TV view. So if you want to watch TV at the same time, select that and it will pop up just here. Let's go back to the menu. We have open a secret tab. We have the history. So if you want to clear your history, just come here, select all and go to delete. This will delete the history. Now to get out of this, don't go to the X, that will close the app. Instead, just come here for tabs and go back to the web page. And then you can close this tab. Back to the main menu, we've done the history. We have add to bookmarks, add shortcut to the home screen, add to office shortcut, the bookmarks menu, and the main settings, user guide, send feedback, and quit app. Let's have a quick look in settings. Here it says open in a new tab. That's on startup. We'll go down a little bit and we can see the search engines. It should be Google. You can choose a different one if you wish. Here we have show recommended sites, which you can turn off or on. Always show the address bar at the top. That may be useful. Again, up to you. We have site filtering, pop-up blocker, which is on, do not track, which is on, adaptive streaming using JavaScript, cookie settings, use block ads. And just here, again, we can clear browsing data. Here we have clear cookies, and this one is clear all browsing data, clear your browsing history, including cookies, and then just some version information at the bottom. So that's how you use the browser. And when you're finished, you simply come across to the X at the top, and this will close it out. So I hope it's been useful. Please give the video a thumbs up if it's helped. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.